for all federal crimes presented to this court, you are hereby sentenced to 40,000 years in federal prison.
40,000 years? Unlock these chains and say it again!
Every federal count before this court, you are hereby sentenced to 40,500 years in federal prison.
40,500 years! Remove these straps and say it again! Hold!
All federal crimes presented to this court, you are hereby sentenced to 41,000 years in federal prison.
41,000 years! Remove these chains and say it again!
For all federal counts before this court, you are hereby sentenced to 41,500 years in federal prison.